I've been using Robinhood for over 9 years now, and recently I helped my wife set up her account from scratch. And watching her go through that process reminded me how confusing this app can feel when you're brand new. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started step by step from opening your account to making your first investment, all without overcomplicating anything. If you haven't created an account yet, you could use the link down below in the description box to get a free stock. The sign-up process is pretty straightforward. You just enter in some basic information and verify your identity. Most people get through this in just a few minutes. Once your account is open, you'll need to add money, and you can link your bank account directly to the app. And the nice thing about this is you can start with as little as just $1. This is the part most people are unsure about, but it's actually very simple. At the bottom of the app, you just tap on the search icon. From there, you can search any stock or ETF by name. Once you tap it, hit trade, then buy. And as a beginner, I would recommend buying in dollars and not shares. That way you can start with a small amount without worrying about the full price of a share. You enter in the amount you want to buy, review the order, and submit it. That's it. You just made your first investment. One feature that is really helpful, especially for beginners, is recurring investments. Instead of trying to time the market, you can set up automatic investments on a schedule. For example, you can invest $5 every week into the same stock or ETF. So this helps you to stay consistent and take emotions out of the process. And once it's all set up, it just runs in the background. You can also open an IRA or a Roth IRA directly inside the app. I'm opening a Roth IRA for my wife here just to show you how simple it is. The whole setup takes less than 1 minute and it's all done right inside the same app. One thing that really stands out with Robinhood is they'll give you free bonuses for just contributing to your IRA, which is pretty much unheard of with any investing app. You don't need to max this out or go all in right away. Even small contributions can really add up over time. Once you're invested, everything shows up right here on your home screen. You'll see your total value at the top, along with how your investments are performing over different time frames. One important thing to keep in mind is not trying to stress out about daily changes. Investing works best when you give it time and just stay consistent. If you're brand new to investing, the most important thing you can do is just get started. You don't need a perfect strategy and you don't need to spend a lot of money. Starting small and staying consistent matters far more than trying to actually do everything right on day one. And if you're opening a Robinhood account anyways, use the referral link in the description to get a free stock and also help support the channel. And if you want a full deep dive on other Robinhood features like options, crypto, or some of the more advanced tools, drop a comment down below and let me know what you want to see next. Make sure to check out this video, which YouTube thinks you'll enjoy next, and I'll see you guys in the next one.